I've come here to offer you a job.
I'm a huge fan of horror and I'm a huge fan of superhero stuff, and this is kind of like a mixture of like a teen superhero type horror B-movie thing.
Imagine.
There's sci-fi, horror, superhero, humour.
Slipping on the job, huh?
I was the producer, I co-wrote it with MJ, and my presence can be felt throughout the production, I guess.
Sorry, my dear.
Quite thrilling. There's good cliffhanger at each episode.
Found you, menace.
And it's interesting to see what it starts out like and how it ends up looking on the camera.
It was all about being a one-man goddamned army.
Everybody was lovely, everybody worked hard, everybody had a nice attitude.
There's so much action. I just wanted to do it justice.
It's always fun to make progress.
It's just ticks a lot of boxes for me and there's a lot of fun.
He's a big guy.
Definitely leaves you wanting to know what happens, wanting to see the next episodes, which is the idea.
Only then can we hope to